there, YouTube friends. I'm Cindy and you are watching Sincerely Cindy Settle. Thanks for stopping by. Welcome if you are new and welcome back if you have been here for a little while. I hope that you enjoy unboxings and book reviews and recommendations. And if you do, then this is the place for you. Consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you can see what I have coming up. But today we have a huge trunk club. So this is my very first trunk club. I've heard very good things about Trunk Club. It is a styling service and it's from Nordstrom's. So I have never stepped foot in a Nordstrom's, but I have been following someone on YouTube who shops at Nordstrom's a lot and has a lot of recommendations from there. Her stuff is a little out of my price range. Some of this is probably out of my price range as well, but we're going to check it out and try some stuff on and see what we can learn about it. So I can tell you that there is a $25 styling fee. Now, if you have a Nordstrom's card, that styling fee is waived. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, so everything is individually packaged. So I'm going to get everything out and then I'll show you guys what I have and then we'll get to the try on. So I will see you in just a few minutes. Okay, I'm back. So from what I understand from Nordstrom's as well, you fill out your, Trunk Club as well. You fill out your style profile and then they curate items based on your style profile, and then they will send you a preview of about 9 or 10 items and you choose the ones that you want to keep. The ones that you don't want to keep, you can leave them a little note saying why you don't want to keep it, and then they replace those items with some other items that may fit your profile. You don't get to exchange anymore. They just send you what they send you. So I did get a little bit of a preview on this. Of course, I knew what they were going to send. They do give you the prices and all that good stuff. Some of this is going to be a little bit pricier, and I will say that everything that they sent me to look at was kind of drab and dark, and so I don't know. And it looks like, just when I pulled everything out, it looks like some of this might be a little bit too big for me, but we'll see how it goes. So this comes in your box as well, and this looks like it is going to be directions, and it tells you hello Cindy and tells you what to do, you know, to tell them what they think, give feedback, make your selections. And then you do have your prices in here with the name of your items as well as your return label, and you use the box here for returning. And your $25 styling fee is credited towards your purchase. And let's see, you refer a friend to Trunk Club and they'll get a $50 credit for using your referral link. When they spend their first $50, we'll credit your account with $50. So I will leave my referral link down in the description box so that you guys can try Trunk Club and get a $50 credit. So they also leave you a note. So we will read that real quick. Hi Cindy, I'm so excited for you to try all of the great items in this trunk. I want you to have fun mixing and matching all the pieces with items in your current wardrobe too. Remember that your feedback is a critical part of this process to ensure that you have a great trunk experience every time. I look forward to chatting with you soon. Best, Elaine. So it's very sweet. All right, so let's get to looking at this stuff real quick. So we have just a basic black Madewell t-shirt. Now, this may have been what you can also add on items. And I did do an add-on just to make sure that there was something in the box that I could use my $25 towards. And I thought this dress, it's a sweater dress. I thought this was cute. I do like the wrap detail there in the front. However, I will say that sometimes wrap dresses are a little clingy, and I'm not a clingy kind of girl. I'm not one to wear the appropriate undergarments so that everything is smoothed out under there. I'm just not into being uncomfortable underneath my clothes. All right, so then we have, this cute little top. It's black with a little black and white sleeve. Very cute, just a basic tee with that little detail on the sleeve. And then we have another sweater dress, and it is just a black, looks like it's going to be a midi length, long sleeve, and there's some sort of tie here. Not sure where that goes, maybe in the back, but we will figure it out. We have a pair of Good American jeans. These are black jeans. They look like they are a skinny fit. We have a pair of cut from the cloth Connie jean. These are cute. Dark wash with a little bit of distressing, but not too much. So you've got a little piece of distressing here, and then you do have a little bit of a uneven hem, that high-low hem there on the legs. Cute. I did get some accessories. They will send accessories. I've got a belt. I've got some shoes. So here's the belt. I'll try it on with the jeans. Very simple, basic, could use it forever. And they send you jewelry, shoes, purses, hats, whatever. So this is a really pretty Kate Spade necklace, and it is my initial. And it's just a, I don't know how well you can see that. It is just a C. Very cute. And it comes with a little bag, and it's in this little case. And then we have the shoes. And let me just say that the shoes, when I saw them on, you know, the preview, I wasn't a fan. So we'll see how it goes when I see them in person. So we have, these are Blondo waterproof. These are like a taupe kind of collar, low heel, zipper on the inside, and then a little buckle here on the outside. They are very pretty, very sleek. They're like a suede. So, I mean, they are very pretty and very cute. I'm not a huge fan of suede shoes. So that's going to be my hang up with these, is going to be that they're suede. So let's check out the next pair. All right, now we have a pair of Vince Camuto booties. And these are cute, but they're a no. All right, so here's the booty. They are like a camel collared here, and then they have a snakeskin heel. And the heel is unique, if you can see this. See how that heel is? It's very unique and very different. You have a zipper here on the inside, and then you have a lace up there in the front. I like it from the front and like the squared toe, but this heel, I'm not a big fan of animal print. I mean, I know that that's minimal, and I usually do minimal, or I can do minimal, but these aren't for me. So let's get to trying things on. I'll try them on and show you what they look like on, and then we will go from there. So we'll see what happens. See you in a minute. All right, here we go with the outfit number one. I have on several pieces here: the necklace, the t-shirt, the belt, the jeans, and the booties. So let's start with the necklace. It's a very simple gold necklace that has a C on there. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but it's very dainty, very feminine, very pretty. And then you have the basic black t-shirt. I like it. It fits me well. I think that this was one of the add-ons that I did, and I want to say it was $20 or $25. I feel like I need some basics in my closet, so this is a good basic, so this might be a keeper. The belt is really cute. It has a really cute wider hole, and then it has a cute unique, I don't know what this is called over here, but I'll show you whenever we do the wrap up, the details on this. So the jeans, I feel like, again, I like the collar, but they're already feeling a little baggy on me. So I'm not sure if these are going to be a keeper or not because of the bagginess. And I'll pan down here in just a second because I want to show you the shoes as well and the hemline that's really cute. So what do you think of these items? I mean, they're just kind of basic. Basic black t-shirt, basic blue jeans, nothing to wow anybody, but let me know what you think. I'm going to pan down here in just a second. Okay, so here you can see the jeans. They are better fitting than some of the other ones that I've tried. And this unique hemline, you've got the high-low here, which I think is cute and unique. The shoes are very comfortable, very stylish, very, very basic, if you will. Could go with a lot of things and would probably wear for years to come, but Not sure that they're my cup of tea, again, because of the suede, but everything's very comfortable. The heel is a nice size for me. Just not sure that they're a keeper for me, but I always like to hear what you guys think, so let me know. Okay, so this is cute. I do like this little detail here. I think it's cute and it's different. It's something that I could wear in the fall and the spring. Could get away with it now when you wear a coat in and out. It's very comfortable. I feel like it fits me nicely. I feel like it's slimming. Even the jeans, I think, are slimming. But let me do say, with the jeans, they are high-waisted and they are very tight, but they are very stretchy. So, I mean, I can do all kinds of little exercises in them, and they're comfortable. And I feel like that once I wore these, that they would maybe stretch out just a little bit, but maybe just enough to be comfortable, as opposed to being baggy and sagging in these places that I don't like it to sag. So, see what you think. So that's the black jeans and the black polka dot shirt. Now, let me say with these jeans too, I noticed when I had it sitting over there that it was starting to collect some cat hair. So I think that these are going to be ones that are going to collect everything, lint, you know, any kind of piece of white something that you can come across. It's going to magnetize to these jeans. So I don't know if the black is going to be a hit for me or not, and it's going to depend on the price and on the wear. If I wear them a little bit and they get too saggy and too baggy, then you guys know they're going to be out. All right, so let's see what's next. Okay, here we have the black sweater dress, and it's a black sweater dress. It's basic, long sleeve, straight cut. It does have the nice cutout in the back, and it does have a slit on the side coming out to up to right above the knee. I'll show you the length here in just a second when I show you the boots, but this is nothing special, nothing to write home about. And if if you've been watching my videos, you know I've been trying to get away from blacks. Sorry I'm breathing so heavy. It's hot with these lights in the sweater dress. Whew. And trying to get on these shoes. So let me show you the shoes. Okay, so here you can see the length of the dress. It's a midi dress. There's the slit in the left-hand side. Then here's the boots. They're very cute. I like the way they look in the front. I like the square toe. The left one was a little bit harder to get on than the right one, and I don't know why, but this is what they look like on. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so here we have our last dress. This is the gray sweater dress. I will say it is a little bit lighter weight. I do like the shape of it a little bit better. I do like the wrap V-neck, but I'm not sure. I mean, this just kind of sits there. It doesn't really cinch or anything to define a waistline, and I think I would like it better if it did so. But you can see the length is right below the knees. And sorry about my white legs, but that's what this looks like. Again, it's just kind of drab and kind of basic. So maybe my next trunk club will be a little bit better, but we will wrap up in just a few minutes. All right, so let's get to the wrap up. You guys have seen the prices. I have not. So let's see if we're going to keep anything here. So I'm not going to pull everything out. I'm just going to describe it for you. The Blondo booties, those taupe collared, were $69.90, which actually isn't a bad price. The backcountry belt is Madewell. It is $52. That's going to be a no. Groove On puff sleeve t-shirt, which is the t-shirt that I like that had the polka dots. That's $79. That's kind of a bummer. The puff sleeve bobble ribbed sweater. I must have missed the puff sleeve. Anyway, it says it's white. So that must not be in my box. So that was $49.90. So I'll have to email them to let them know that it was not in my box because I don't want to get charged for it. The Vince Camuto booties were $89.40. The cotton ribbed crew neck, just the black t-shirt, was $19.50. The wrap it up long sleeve sweater dress, that was the gray one with the wrap, that was $69. The Connie high waist fringe step hem skinny jeans, those were the blue cut from the cloth, those are $89. Good legs high rise skinny jeans in black are $149. No. The Holly tie back long sleeve sweater dress in black was $79. And then 1 in a million initial pendant necklace, and that's Kate Spade, that is $58. So I will say, and I expected Nordstrom's to be, you know, Trunk Club to be a little bit more expensive than Stitch Fix or Fashom or whatever. And I would say that, you know, I did ask for clearance items or items that were on sale. Some of these items are a little bit higher price than what I would pay. Now for the shoes, if I liked them, I would pay a little bit more. Jeans, I would pay a little bit more if I was in love with them. The t-shirt will probably be the only thing that I keep, only because I feel like I need some basics in my wardrobe, but everything else was just kind of bland and boring. The Vince Camuto booties were super cute, but not really my style. That was really the only thing that was a little bit edgy or different. So I'm interested to see what this ribbed the ribbed sweater was. I remember seeing it in my preview, but then when they shipped, it didn't show the picture of it. So I don't know what's going on there. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and try on. Please feel free to subscribe, feel free to share, like this video. Join me the next time. We will be doing a book review or maybe another Stitch Fix because I have another one coming, but I need to do my December wrap up so you guys can see what I read in December and whether I liked it or I didn't. So I will see you guys soon. I'm Cindy Settle and I'm signing out. Mwah.